How to delete contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete a contact on iPhone, open the phone application on your device first. On the bottom, you will see the option for contacts. Tap on that and you will be able to view all your contacts on iPhone. In order to delete a contact, select the contact you want to delete. If you see through the options, you will not see the option for delete contact anywhere. So tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the option for delete contact. Tap on that and then tap on delete again and the contact will be deleted. The other way to delete a contact is tap hold on the contact you want to delete and you will see the delete contact option. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and the contact will be deleted. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.